In a snowy mountain village, a small family lived in a treehouse. The treehouse was cold, and snow covered everything but their hearts were warm every morning. The children woke up to see the sparkling snow on the branches, and the father would chop wood to keep the fire alive. The mother cooked warm meals with the little food they had. One day a heavy snowstorm blocked the path to the village, and the family was trapped with only a few supplies. The children felt scared, but the mother hugged them and said, "Don't worry, together we can overcome anything." The father built a small greenhouse under the treehouse and planted seeds, while the children helped making paths in the snow, carrying wood and clearing the snow slowly. Their treehouse turned into a magical place full of earth, fresh vegetables, bright lights shining through the snow, and laughter echoing in the cold. They learned that courage, love, and working together can create hope even in the darkest and coldest moments. When the villagers finally came to check on them, they were amazed to see how a small family had turned their frozen world into a warm and happy home full of life and smiles.